What are the formation environments of petroleum? Petroleum is a complex mixture of hydrocarbons, and it is believed to have formed from the remains of ancient marine organisms that were buried in sedimentary rocks millions of years ago. The formation of petroleum requires a specific set of environmental conditions that favor the accumulation of organic matter and its preservation over long periods of time. The following are the primary environments in which petroleum is believed to have formed. Marine environments. The majority of petroleum deposits are thought to have formed in marine environments, where there was an abundance of organic matter in the form of algae, plankton, and other marine organisms. The organic matter would settle to the bottom of the sea and become buried in sediment over time. Lacustrine environments. Petroleum can also form in freshwater lakes, where organic matter can accumulate and be preserved under anaerobic conditions. These deposits are typically smaller than those found in marine environments. Deltaic environments, deltas, where rivers meet the sea, are also favorable environments for petroleum formation. The sediments deposited by the river can bury organic matter, while the stagnant water of the delta provides the anaerobic conditions necessary for its preservation. Terrestrial environments. Petroleum can also form in terrestrial environments, such as swamps and peat bogs. The organic matter in these environments is typically from plant material, rather than marine organisms. The process of petroleum formation involves the burial of organic matter in sediment, where it is subjected to high pressure and temperature over millions of years. The organic matter is first converted into a waxy material called kerogen, and then further converted into liquid hydrocarbons through a process called catagenesis. The hydrocarbons are then expelled from the source rock and migrate through the surrounding rock until they are trapped in a reservoir rock, where they form a petroleum deposit. In summary, petroleum is believed to have formed in environments where there was an abundance of organic matter, which was buried and preserved under anaerobic conditions over millions of years. The specific environmental conditions required for petroleum formation can vary, but the majority of deposits are found in marine environments. What are the factors affecting the formation of petroleum? The formation of petroleum is a complex process that is influenced by a number of different factors. These factors can include the type of organic matter, the temperature and pressure of the sedimentary environment, the type and age of the sedimentary rocks, and the presence of other geological features. Here are some of the key factors that can affect the formation of petroleum. Type of organic matter. The type of organic matter that accumulates in sedimentary rocks can vary depending on the environmental conditions. Marine environments tend to produce organic matter that is rich in lipids and waxes, while terrestrial environments produce organic matter that is rich in lignin and cellulose. The type of organic matter can affect the quality and quantity of the petroleum that is formed. Temperature and pressure. The temperature and pressure of the sedimentary environment can influence the rate and extent of petroleum formation. Higher temperatures and pressures can accelerate the conversion of organic matter to petroleum, but can also lead to the formation of other hydrocarbons that are not useful for energy production. Type and age of sedimentary rocks. The type and age of the sedimentary rocks can also affect petroleum formation. Rocks that are rich in organic matter and have been buried for a long time are more likely to contain significant amounts of petroleum. The type of rocks can also affect the quality and quantity of the petroleum that is formed. Geological features. Geological features such as faults, folds, and fractures can affect the migration and accumulation of petroleum. Faults and fractures can act as conduits for the movement of petroleum, while folds can create traps that prevent the petroleum from escaping. Source rock quality. The quality of the source rock, which is the rock containing the organic matter that forms petroleum, can also affect petroleum formation. Source rocks that are rich in organic matter and have been buried for a long time are more likely to produce high-quality petroleum. Hydrocarbon generation and migration. The generation and migration of hydrocarbons is a complex process that can be influenced by a variety of factors, including the porosity and permeability of the rock, the presence of water or other fluids, and the presence of geologic structures that can affect the flow of hydrocarbons. In summary, the formation of petroleum is a complex process that is influenced by a number of different factors. Understanding these factors is important for predicting the location and quality of petroleum deposits, and for developing strategies to extract and use these resources in a sustainable way. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications.